Calibrate and Calcheck. Essential monitor setup for soft proofing. Calibrating a monitor with the Use Software Calibration option. The display's application is used to calibrate your monitors for accurate proofing. To open the application, go to the Client window. Select the Application menu, Displays option. The window will open on the Calibration Summary tab, showing data about attached monitors, including the monitor name and resolution, as well as their current calibration status. There are various sections listed down the left side for Calibration, Calcheck, History, TrueSpot, for Blackmagic and Veripress only, and Ambient. Click on the number button above each summary to identify each connected monitor, and confirm the display to be calibrated for soft proofing. Select the appropriate monitor from the list under the Calibration heading. Enable the Use Software Calibration option. The first step is to measure the brightness of the monitor. This must be done before calibration begins. Select your white point and gamma. We are using native and 2.2. Select and configure your attached instrument. Click the Measure button when ready to continue. Follow any on-screen instructions for your instrument. You will see the brightness measurements appearing on screen as it goes. Manually adjust your monitor brightness to raise or lower for your desired setting, while the instrument continues to measure the screen. Press Escape to stop measuring when the desired setting is reached. Next, we will calibrate the monitor. Select the Calibrate button to begin, and follow any instructions for your instrument. The Use Software Calibration option will use the display's application settings to calibrate the monitor. When finished, save the calibration. The profile will automatically be applied as the operating system native profile for the display in the client preferences. Up next, calibrating a monitor with the Use Hardware Calibration option.